Hey guys, Kyle here with ICI. Today we're installing a set of our Alumilite side steps on a Toyota Tundra. These steps fit the 07 to 21 Toyota Tundra crew cab, the full four-door. What differentiates our Alumilite steps from others on the market is they're made from 50-52 aluminum and they're very modular. Both the step hoops are removable so you can run them with or without the step hoop. This install is very straightforward, relatively easy. Should only take you about an hour to do both sides with hand tools. First step, remove any side steps that may already be installed on the vehicle. If there are no side steps on the vehicle, locate the 4 sets of mounting points on the underside of the vehicle. These mounting points may have tape or screws installed in them. Remove the tape or screws so that they are accessible. Next, identify the front mounting bracket. Referencing the diagram in the installation instructions, you'll notice that the front and second mounting brackets are different than the rear mounting brackets. The two rear mounting brackets are identical, but all brackets are side specific. Once you've identified the front mounting bracket, use the provided M8 by 30mm hex head bolts, flat washers, and lock washers to mount the front mounting bracket to the front mounting location underneath the vehicle. If you are reusing the factory hardware, use that in place of the provided M8 hardware. Once the front bracket has been installed, move on to the second, third, and fourth mounting brackets, utilizing the same hardware as before. Be sure to reference the diagram in the installation instructions to make sure the mounting brackets are in the correct positions. Once all the mounting brackets have been installed, locate the correct sidebar for the side you are working on. You'll notice that the sidebars are side-specific. On the top edge of the sidebar is a slight angle downward. This points to the front of the vehicle. Once you've identified the correct sidebar, go ahead and take the bar over and hang it from the brackets. The bar should be able to hang freely from the brackets. Once the bar is hanging from the brackets, go ahead and get a set of the M8 by 35mm hex countersunk bolt, M8 flat washer, M8 finish washer, and M8 nylock nut. Mount the bar to the third hole from the front. This will mount the bar directly to a bracket and secure the bar in place. Once the bar has been secured using that third mounting location, do not fully tighten this yet, as you may need some adjustment. Move on to the rear mounting hole, which mounts the bar to the rear mounting bracket. Attach the hardware here, but do not fully tighten. Now that the bar is secured, you can move on to attaching the step hoops to the sidebar. Attach the step hoops using the same M8 hardware and finish washers. For adjustability purposes, leave all hardware loose until the very end. Once everything's been loose fit properly and aligned, start by tightening the bolts that hold the brackets to the truck. Fully tighten the 4 mounting locations to the truck.
She's a double fister.
Once the brackets are tight to the truck, move on to tightening the hardware that holds the steps and bar to these mounting brackets. When using the provided Allen key to tighten the M8 hardware to the side step and hoops, remember to hold the Allen key still while tightening the nut from the back side. This will prevent the washer from spinning and causing any scratches to the front of the side step. With all the hardware tight, move on to the opposite side of the vehicle and repeat the same steps.
Alright guys, hopefully your installation went as easy as it did for us. Once everything's tightened, these steps should be good to go. Although we do recommend periodically checking all hardware on any aftermarket parts that you install. To purchase these steps and other awesome ICI products, head to our website, www.iciionline.com.